We actually made it.
I'll say that, yeah. I think it's safer.
People have definitely been through here.
Yo, you gotta hide.
You gotta hide. You gotta hide. Wait. Let's go up. We'll scout. Meet back here before dawn.
Coast is clear. Let's head back. Guess I'll wait here.
It's starting to get late. I should head back before dawn.
You're back.
Yeah, it's all clear on my side.
Me as well.
All right, we should settle camp.
Let's do it.
Oh! I'm starving. I need to get some food.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah, the land is nice.
Wait up.